Here for my 5-year colonoscopy, which actually is more like a 7-year colonoscopy because it was due 2 years ago and I'm just getting it. But I was thinking, wow, they should have a bidet. Look at what they have. Don't drop your phone in the toilet. But they have a bidet. Wonderful. And this bidet, my fine friends, is heated. It is warm. Yes, the seat is warm. How exciting. I think I'm about to try this thing. Let's see. I think I'm about to try this thing. I have no idea if it's going to work. Let's see. It works. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Maybe it's what I expected. Maybe it's like a shower head. Internal rinse. There's a lot of rinsing going on. You can actually do it for the front and the back. So that was fun. Posterior. Posterior. It's still going on. I guess I'm going to have to stop it. I guess I have to stop it. And baby wipes to clean yourself up. Or that old-fashioned stuff. I think I'll take the baby wipes this time.